welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to do a pretty basic festive makeup look. It is very easy to do and I'm going to show you ways on how to transform your normal look into a festival look pretty easily and quickly. So I already have my base makeup on. This is my everyday makeup look, which I have shown you guys in my previous video. The link to it is in my bio if you want to go check it out and follow the instructions. And after that you can continue watching this video to see the end look, I guess. So this is the base look for any of your festive looks, whatever you want to do. I am going to show you basically a generic look which you can use for any festive occasion. It will go with anything you want to wear. So yeah, the first thing that I like to do is, since I already have my base makeup on, I like to powder my face a little bit because it's a little oily. So yeah, I like to have my face nice and matte in some areas because oily is not an attractive look, to be honest. Dewy is, but oily isn't. So yeah, make sure you put a little bit on your neck. So the first and the most basic thing that you can do is put on some eyeliner. Now I want to do this off camera because this can be very tricky and I'm not used to using a small mirror for stuff like this. So yeah, I already put on a bright red lipstick off camera because bright lipsticks are very festive in my opinion. So yeah, this is another thing that you can do. And I've used the Huda Beauty lipstick from the pink edition. This is pretty worn out, but I've used the red shade from this. The next step is to bronze up your skin a little bit more because I think a sun-kissed look is very festive. So yeah, let's do that. Just add more bronzer all over your face, on your nose, even on your neck. And yeah, I've added shimmer on my eyes from the Maybelline Mini Color Sensation palette on my eyelids because it is really poppin'. But it really pops out, and basically shimmery stuff and bright stuff is all festive. So I think it is a neutral look which is incredibly which is a good way to do a simple festive look. And the last thing is that I've used one of the shades from my Rimmel Magnifies eyeshadow palette, specifically this shade, all over my cheekbones if you can see, and I'm pretty popping right now. I don't know why I'm saying that right now, but my cheekbones are popping, everything looks very dewy and shiny and nice. This extra highlight you can only do during the festival season and you can get away with it. So I like to embrace the festive season. So yeah, this is the way that I change my everyday look into a festival makeup look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see more videos of me either recreating other makeup looks or do more makeup videos. I can try being more better at it. This was like my second attempt. So yeah, if you liked it, then make sure to also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have, then click on the bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!